Nigerian scientists have been accused of not doing enough to find homegrown solutions to the COVID-19 pandemic, as well as all the diseases bedeviling the nation. However, at the induction of new fellows in Abuja, the Nigerian Academy of Science says a lot of research is ongoing, with some in clinical trial stage. It is appealing for more funding for science research.
Science is not funded. Research is not funded by government to the level that is impactful. So we encourage government to put more money into science, because science and its investigation is very, very expensive.
Nigeria, we need to look inward and to look for our indigenous materials and substances that are relevant in the management of a number of diseases, COVID-19 and also beyond. And I think the government has a great role to play in this regard by actually allowing and supporting some of the researchers and indigenous researchers in the field that can promote indigenous knowledge.
While Nigeria has had to rely heavily on support from the international community to get vaccines and therapeutics in the management of COVID-19 as well as other diseases, well, the Nigerian Academy of Science have said we have all it takes really in the country to defeat the pandemic, as well as even deal with all the chronic diseases, including even cancer. And one of such therapeutics is this, the bitter kola. Despite the availability of vaccines to treat COVID-19, scientists are suggesting the high intake of alkaline foods and herbs that are readily available in the country to fight the deadly pandemic, as well as terminal illnesses such as cancer.
We've been able to establish the therapeutic properties of compounds and phytochemicals isolated from ginger and the bitter kola. A lot of fruits, a lot of vegetables, and a lot of plant-related substances should be more present in our food. People should desist from eating fat food and excessive consumption of red meat and products that are actually fast foods. These are agents and food substances of a dietary origin that have been implicated in the development of different types of cancer.
Over 1.5 million jabs of COVID-19 vaccines have been administered around the world, but Africa is still playing catch-up as the continent depends mostly on solutions provided by others. The science community in Nigeria says this has got to change, as Africa has what it takes to take care of the continent and the world, but adequate funding will go a long way.